Hi, Timothy Unkert here. In this video, I want to create a while loop that increments by a value other than 1. Okay, I've included my header file and I've created my main function, so let's get started. So this time I'm going to start not with an integer, but with a float, and let's call that float I. And I'm going to set I equal to 0 to start, and then I'm going to create a while loop, and the condition that the while loop runs under will be that I is less than 10. And then I'll create my curly braces and create the statements I'm going to run within the while loop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to print f, and then I'm going to print a float, but I want to have only one decimal place showing. Okay, and at each of these, let's do a space, and then we'll pass in the variable I that is increasing. Okay, and what we're going to do here is we're going to say I equals I plus 0.1. So we're going to increase it by 0.1 each time. At the end of this main function, I'm going to return 0. Okay, so let's now compile this and run it. So I'm going to open my terminal, and I'm going to compile it, and we're going to output it as while loop, just INC. Okay, so I went ahead and compiled, and let's run it. And we see here we're going to get all these numbers, basically from starting at 0.0 and going up to 9.9. Okay. One way we could neaten up the program a little bit is right here. We could use a put car, and we could do a /n there. That might neaten it up a little bit. Okay, let's recompile it now. And let's run it. And we see that the prompt is now down on the next line, but you can see it goes through all those numbers up through 9.9. So I hope you found this video interesting and it gave you some ideas. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications, as it really helps the channel grow. I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.